Hello, good morning. My name is Tanvir Ahmed. I live in New Jersey, USA. I'm recording this video for the people who could be interested in three of my services that I'm offering on the internet. The first one is the project management, traditional as well as agile processes. Traditional serves as a big umbrella that has a knowledge like requirements gathering, the time management, schedule, cost management, vendor management, quality management, procurement management, and then stakeholder management. And along with that all these knowledge areas we can use for agile processes as well. And then agile frameworks are the mainly popular frameworks are Scrum, Scaled Agile, and then Disciplined Agile. I'm certified in all these three frameworks. Actually, the Disciplined Agile is kind of a hybrid, or just give you an option to choose whatever works for your organization. So that is the latest trend that you would find. But again, the Scrum, Scaled Agile, they are people, companies have been using it for the past many years. Now, the second service that I'm offering, that is for Microsoft Excel, for businesses, for your personal small businesses or accounts. That could be very helpful, and then we can automate all the functions. And the third one is for the English language that I'm offering to adults who want to learn English as a foreign language. Please let me know if you have any question, and then I can be reached at the link below for my email or phone number. Thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.